Imagine yourself in this 2008 Holden Commodore. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle
with a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors.
The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.